All right, so that video. All right, we're going to do what we saw in the video. This is the more to do. But we have an issue because Samarone having a knee problem. So because of that, this
I'll just hobble.
rock, paper, scissors thing.
I'll just hobble like so.
No, I don't.
No, I'll hobble. I won't run.
All right, come.
And then you have
hold
more
on
time
now.
to eat.
So if I beat you in the rock, paper, scissors, is you run. And if you beat me, I run, right?
No.
Or is the other way around?
Other way around. If you beat me,
I run? That can't
you
make us-
beat me, you eat.
If I lose, yeah, then that me just say. So if I beat you, is you run.
Cha. But you eat.
Yeah.
Right, that's what I just said.
Come.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, cover, scissors.
So me run?
Wait a minute.
Me run and you eat?
Wait no man, me no run yet. Me no eat yet. Me no, hey, hello.
Yeah, come.
Hey, look up. Me no finish.
Rock, paper. So me win again.
Paper, cover, rock.
Thank you. Go.
Eat as many as you can eat.
Mm.
Trying to figure out what the objective of this game is.
I'm hungry.
I didn't stole. Oh, I did stole. What I was supposed to do?
Go all the way over. You do it for spike, because
I
you
did.
stamp and eat, you know.
Circle that. I would like to disclaim that as a social media manager, mash up my knee.
But this is nice.
Ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Paper, cover, rock. How much your business?
But me I come too quick and I get nothing. By the time I reach back in, I eat that yet. What's your name? What's your name? Hello? You still alive? Rock, paper, scissors, tired. Rock, paper, scissors, she's tired.
Me choke. Me choke. I almost needed multi-mode resuscitation.
We just
Come
run.
back.
What that mean? Me again? Eat. No, I mean, I'll take time this time.
Eat no more.
You can eat plenty.
Melon nice though.
What is, please?
Blueberry.
One of the foods of life. Come.
Come back. No, I'll give you my chance. Okay.
Eat. You're a growing woman. You need substance.
Alright, sucker.
You see, them can't separate us.
Run off my shoes. Tongues.
Them can't separate us. Last one, go the fool. All right, my God.
No,
Look like you want to separate us.
come, last one.
Well, that was
time?
the last one.
Oh gosh, I'm crying.
All right, come.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Have something.
Yeah,
You need substance.
yeah.
Eat. You know, it's because I love you while I'm doing this. I want you to be healthy, wealthy, and wise. Poor thing. All right, folks. What's your? You think I breakfast? That's it for something to smile about.
Mira.
right, folks, when we come back, a performance from Richie Stevens with a chat with him and producer Clive Hunt. And that comes up next. Why we rock, paper,